Assalamualaikum guys, Valentine's Day is here and you've got to buy something for the most beloved of all women that you've had. There's only one woman, okay? Valentine's is all about one woman. Now she's done a lot for you. You've got to go out there, you're going to make her happy and you're going to do the best for her, okay? She's been around, she's looked after you, do the best for her. Now don't mess it up. That woman is your mother. Because the thing is, your mother's always looked after you. Now, nothing wrong in you ending up with some roses for your mother. What's all this that you got to go and get your girlfriend, this, that, whatever. Now, listen, Valentine's, yeah, go and say hello to your mom, hug your mom. That's the one woman that gave you everything in your life, bro, okay?
Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters. Hope this video was helpful for you. This may help others too, so please consider sharing, and we will bring more videos in the future inshallah. So consider subscribing and you won't miss any. Jazakallahu khairan.